Welcome back to another video. My name's Max, this is John Kleis Car's YouTube channel, and today we've got a Mercedes W447 Vito, and we've upgraded this car to have Apple CarPlay on a big 9-inch screen and also a reverse camera. I'm going to show you what it looks like from inside the vehicle. Here is the latest Kenwood 9-inch display, and it even has the ability to tilt towards you, which is quite nice, and you can actually raise it up and down by pulling these triggers on the back of the unit. I won't do it now because I will make a mess of it doing it one-handed, but this is Apple CarPlay on a nice large 9-inch screen. Customer's got a bit of an area to store some stuff in there, and yeah, much nicer, bigger screen than what he had before. And he also wanted wireless CarPlay. Beforehand he had to plug in via Apple CarPlay through here, and he just found it quite a bit of a faff, and it was also getting a bit unreliable. We still have this USB connected to the stereo at the top. We also have another USB, which is a USB-C connection now under there, and that is connected to a fast charger. And also in his glove box, we have actually rigged him up some leads with a HDMI lead, so he can have a Fire Stick, select HDMI source from the head unit, and watch Amazon Fire Stick, anything you want on there, Netflix, YouTube, Spotify, anything you want. Anyway, this is Apple CarPlay, which is the main reason people will go for this upgrade. Now the screen's nice and responsive on this Kenwood. If you have seen Apple CarPlay already, you'll be pretty familiar with it. You can check your calls, voicemails, contacts. You've got mapping apps like Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze, TomTom Go is a good one if you like to have maps downloaded in your phone. I use Tidal for my own music because it's one of the better qualities out there, but Spotify, Amazon Music and many other platforms are also very compatible and easy to use. So just play a little bit of random music. We also keep the steering controls working for adjusting the volume and things like that. Can't always keep the phone buttons working, unfortunately, but we can turn the volume up and down from there. And that's just going to pause that before I get a copyright strike. This is Apple CarPlay. Doesn't need too much introduction. That's probably why you're watching this video, because you already know about it and you want to get it in your own car. If I press the home button, this takes us to the home screen of the stereo. You've got DAB as well that you can use on here. DAB comes up in this list here. You can search using this search menu along here. Takes a few moments for it to load, and then it will bring up the stations that are available. We're actually using a window antenna, which is just over on the left hand side of the screen there, and yeah, that will just be picking up all of the DAB channels in here. Simply click on a channel to get it to play. That'll start playing, which it has now. Let's just turn it down. It's nice to have steering controls because that is a little bit of a faff to do that. But anyway, you get the station playing, and then you can save it in your presets by just holding down like so. But hey, so that is pretty much Apple CarPlay, the DAB. This has Android Auto. We've also added a reverse camera, as I mentioned. If I pop this into reverse, we'll be met with this lovely reverse camera image. We can see the towing eye down there, which is great for hitching up, and we got a great clear image. It's a nice quality screen, this Kenwood system, and yeah, that is pretty much how it looks. Now, just before I go, I'm going to quickly show you around the back of the vehicle so you can just have a quick look at the reverse camera. So reverse camera is the CMOS 230 from Kenwood. Just sits at the back of the van, and it just goes there. But that is pretty much it. This is a Mercedes Vito. If you're looking to upgrade to Apple CarPlay, do get in contact with us at John Kleis and we can create a solution for you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.